electrical energy is all about movement. So electrical energy is about movement. So when we're talking about the physical body, we're talking about the nervous system. Yeah. So the core part of movement in our body is our nervous system. So we've got little electrical impulses that are constantly happening in our body. Yeah. So that's electrical energy moving through our body. Yeah. So the way that we support our nervous system is through hands-on healing or movement. Yeah, so someone that's doing hands-on healing to you that can support, or you can do to yourself, that can support to move the energy through or out of the body that's blocked. Yeah, or it's actually doing physical exercise, physical movement to get the blockages or the heavy foods and stuff that's in your body to move through the body.